princess.
Oh, you're a princess. It's a crown. Good job.
I'm a princess.
Yes, you're a princess. You're my princess. Yes, you're a Princess Sophia the first. Very good. It's what? Is that yummy? It's what? It's nana. I did it. That's umbrella.
Umbrella chicken is many umbrella fruit.
You have to eat that na. You have to eat that.
No, you type. Please. Ma pig. Pig. Oi, oi, oi.
Is that a pig?
Yes. Pig mama.
Okay. That's a pig.
That's my acorn.
It's a pizza pie. Ah, it's a pizza. Oh, yummy pizza pala.
Yung pizza is so yummy. The pizza is yummy.
The pizza is yummy. Oh, don't eat that na.
Yummy. It's raining.
Ate Jen said it's raining.
It's unbearable.
It's time to use the umbrella.
But then no, it's raining. We did umbrella.
Ate Jen said that?
Yes.
It's raining. You have to use umbrella. He said, as she said.
Yes.
You said thank you to Ate Jen.
Yes.
Good job.
Because I have umbrella and what? No. Umbrella and pizza.